With any premium product, you also gain access to an incredible set of product-agnostic features from our platform. Let's take a look. Admin Insights are special dashboards for administrators that show you how many active users you have across your products. You can think analytics for Confluence, except it's inside Admin Hub and it shows you stats across multiple products, including Confluence, Jira Software, Jira Service Management, and other products in the Atlassian suite. If you go into Admin Hub, under the Security tab, you can find the Insights tab here. And these dashboards show you how many active users you have trending over time, how many people have accessed the product and actually activated their account, so you understand if you may need to reassign some of these licenses, and two-step verification coverage, which hopefully yours looks better than the one here, but you can use it to make sure that all of your users are secure and really enforcing two-step verification.